So we made this review after testing this product for a while. Hope this video will help you to find the answer, is it suitable for you or not? Let's get started.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about using Notion for document management, watch this before you decide. I've been using Notion for about 6 months, and here's my honest experience. The biggest strength of Notion is its flexibility. It's not just a document tool. It's a full workspace where you can combine notes, databases, tasks, and project management all in one place. That makes it extremely powerful for organizing both personal and team knowledge. I also like how customizable everything is. You can build your own document systems, create linked databases, design dashboards, and structure information exactly the way you want. For teams that like to design their own workflows, this is a huge advantage. Another benefit is collaboration. Notion allows real-time editing, comments, and shared workspaces, making it easy for teams to manage documentation together and keep everything centralized. However, there are some downsides. First, the flexibility comes with complexity. It takes time to learn how to structure everything properly, and without good organization, your workspace can quickly become messy. Second, Notion can feel slower compared to more lightweight tools, especially when dealing with large databases or complex pages. Also, while it's great for documentation and organization, it may require extra effort to turn it into a fully structured enterprise document management system. Overall, after 6 months of use, I think Notion is one of the most powerful tools for document management and knowledge organization. It's incredibly flexible and can replace multiple apps, but it requires time and discipline to use it effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether Notion is the right document management tool for your needs.